Tip number 1. Identifying your niche. The first and most important step in launching a successful YouTube channel is selecting a niche. A niche is a specific area of focus, like tech reviews, fitness guidance, beauty tutorials, or a particular passion like digital tools or crochet. A well-defined niche helps you stand out in a crowded space and attracts a dedicated audience who shares your interests. Think about your passions, expertise, and what topics you can consistently create content about. A clear niche also makes it easier for the YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos to viewers interested in similar topics. Tip number 2. Invest in basic equipment. Although quality is important, producing excellent content does not require costly equipment. Start with the essentials: a smartphone or camera with decent resolution, a ring light for consistent lighting, and an external microphone for clear audio. Good lighting and sound significantly enhance your video quality, even if you're just starting out. A tripod is another affordable tool to keep your footage stable. As you grow, you can gradually upgrade your setup, but starting with these basics ensures your videos are enjoyable to watch and listen to. Tip number 3. Plan and optimize your content. To maintain consistency and focus, you must plan your content. Use a content calendar to brainstorm ideas, schedule uploads, and research trending topics in your niche. This helps you stay organized and ensures your videos cater to what your audience is searching for. After creating your video, optimize it for discovery by crafting a compelling, keyword-rich title, writing a detailed description, and using relevant tags. Thumbnails are also crucial. Design eye-catching, high-quality thumbnails that instantly grab attention, as they are often the first impression of your video. Tip number 4. Engage and be authentic. Engaging with your audience is the key to building a loyal community. Respond to comments, ask viewers for their opinions, and use YouTube's community features like polls or Q&A to foster interaction. Being authentic and showing your personality creates a deeper connection with your audience. People are more likely to stick around and support your channel if they feel like they know and trust you. Consistency in uploading and genuinely caring about your audience's needs will set you apart from others who may only focus on numbers. Tip number 5. Keep videos short and engaging. Because people have short attention spans, it is important to make your videos interesting and succinct. For beginners, aim for videos between 5 to 10 minutes long, ensuring you get straight to the point. Break up the content with visuals, text overlays, or animations to entertain viewers. Editing plays a huge role here. Cut out unnecessary parts, use transitions, and add music or sound effects to keep the pace lively. The more engaging your video, the higher the chance viewers will watch till the end, improving your channel's performance. Tip number 6. Learn basic editing. Basic video editing can make your content look polished and professional. Start with beginner-friendly software like Canva, iMovie, or DaVinci Resolve, which allows you to cut out mistakes, add transitions, insert text, and enhance visuals. Editing isn't just about fixing errors, it's an opportunity to elevate your storytelling and keep your audience engaged. A well-edited video can hold viewers' attention, which boosts watch time and helps your channel grow. Tip number 7. Be consistent with your schedule. Your audience will be more loyal and trusting if you are consistent. Choose a weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly posting schedule and stick to it. Regular uploads show viewers that you're serious about your channel and help the YouTube algorithm recognize your content. Planning and batching content in advance can make staying consistent easier, especially when life gets busy. Over time, your audience will look forward to your uploads, building anticipation and driving more engagement. Tip number 8. Promote your channel. You need to promote your videos in addition to uploading them if you want to attract viewers. Share your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Collaborate with creators in your niche to tap into new audiences. Engage with online communities, forums, or groups where your target audience hangs out, but be genuine, don't spam. The more you spread the word, the higher the chance your channel will grow organically. Tip number 9. Build connections through engagement. And answering comments is just one way to engage an audience. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe at the end of your videos. Ask questions or create challenges to involve them actively. When your audience feels valued, they're more likely to support your channel and share it with others. Use tools like live streams or YouTube stories to connect in real time, strengthening the bond between you and your viewers. Tip number 10. Be patient and stay authentic. Finally, remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Growth might be slow initially, but don't get discouraged. Focus on consistently improving your content, learning from analytics, and experimenting with new ideas. Authenticity is what keeps people coming back. Be yourself, and let your passion shine through your videos. As you stay committed to your channel, success will follow.